Hi guys, good day, it's Mike of Dog Trainer Cebu. I'm with my dog Diego. So today, I'll teach you how to potty train your dogs and ano yung mga kailangan natin na tools and ano yung pros and cons of using a potty pad and training your dog to potty outdoors. First tip for potty training is to create a routine. Mga dogs they're a creature of habit, do well in a routine. So kapag yung dog mo, sanay sila na every morning as soon as you wake up, you go out to potty, and before going to bed, they go out to potty. They will get used to that routine and it won't be as hard as parang random lang yung ginagawa mo na potty schedule. So, example of a good routine would be, as soon as I wake up, ilabas ko si Diego. We will go sa labas, sa park, or just outside the house. Or maybe if you have a yard, you go to the yard. And you always make sure you stand at the same spot when you're making the dog potty. Kasi if palaging paiba-iba yung lugar na pinupuntahan mo, the dog might not think na you're waiting for the dog to potty. Whereas, if you keep going to the same spot, in the same corner sa garden mo or your yard, the dog knows na, okay, this is where I usually pee or poop. Maybe he is waiting for me to potty. So, ang gagawin niya agad, gagawin niya kagad yung pag-potty instead of iniisip niya, are we going to play? Are we going to train? Are we going on a walk? Yan, mas mabilis. Another tip would be to stick to a consistent feeding schedule. Kasi ganito yan. Yung time ng pag-feed mo sa dog mo will also affect yung pag-potty nila. So if iba-iba yung oras, magugulo din yung schedule ng pag-CR ng dog mo. So make sure you try as much as possible to stay consistent with your feeding schedule. Another factor that you have to take into consideration is yung age ng dog mo. For example, you have a puppy who is 2 months old, then you have to set your alarm every 2 to 3 hours. That includes, okay, matutulog na ako ng 10. So, next alarm ko would be at 12 or 1 a.m. Kasi that kind of dog or puppy is still young. You need to make sure na nilalabas mo siya kasi they cannot hold their pee for too long. So, they're gonna end up creating a mess sa crate nila. Okay, which brings me to the next tip. Another thing to take into consideration is the age of your dog. So for example, ito si Diego is an adult dog. Mas matagal ito, kaya niya i-hold yung pee and poop niya. Kahit na pumunta pa ako sa ibang lugar, sa mall, hindi ako mag-worry kahit walang diaper yung dog ko. My dogs don't wear diapers. Pero if the dog is still young, they need to go to potty more frequently, maybe every 3 hours. If it's a 3-month-old dog, if it's 5 months old, maybe every 5 hours. And so on. So you have to make sure you take into account the age of your dog. So what's the problem with the potty pad? Wala namang problem dyan. Pero there are some dogs that get confused. So this is the reason why I prefer that my dogs potty outdoors or outside. Aside from they're big, sometimes yung dogs, they get confused. Let's say I put the potty pad doon. And then nandiyan sa corner yung potty pad na yan for maybe 1 week, and then someone else puts a potty pad there. Some dogs will potty doon sa kung saan mo siya nilipat. Pero some dogs, they will still potty at the same spot even though wala na yung potty pad. Another thing is, it sometimes creates confusion sa mga ibang dogs. So, they potty sa potty pad, and then they also potty sa carpet, and then they will also potty sa rug, sa mga basahan. So ako, I prefer na it's clear sa dog ko na hindi talaga ever pwede mag-CR sa loob ng bahay, sa labas lang. What I noticed sa mga dogs na tinetrain namin and with my own dogs is that it's easier for them to potty if it's on dirt or sa grass, yung totoo na grass. Pero yung artificial grass will also work. Maybe just get something na with longer strands na it looks more like real grass than carpet. Next tip is crate training. Bakit natin kailangan i-crate training dog? Madami siyang advantages. Aside from it will help sa potty training, it will also help with your dog's separation anxiety. The dog will learn to be independent. It's not always parang following you around. And as soon as they are not able to see you, you're out of sight, they start crying and whining. So it will help sa potty training din. I'll show you the reason why. So let's use Diego as an example. Wait, I'll open this. Inside. So makita nyo, the crate is just long enough and big enough so that the dog can spin around inside the crate, diba? So what's gonna happen is, ang gagawin ko, ilalagay ko lang yung dog inside, and then I'll close the door. And then, especially, I start this kapag puppy pa yung aso. So mga around 3 months, nasa crate lang palagi yung dog. A puppy doesn't have any business being off-leash inside the house kasi they cannot control themselves pa. Bata pa sila, they're gonna eat mga things that they're not supposed to eat. They're going to chew on things that they're not supposed to be chewing that might hurt them or even cause death. So dahil maliit lang ito, if they pee inside, they're going to soak themselves, and dogs don't like that. So what's gonna end up happening is they're not gonna potty inside. So anong gagawin mo? So let's say 4 months old yung puppy and the dog is inside and it's been 4 hours. You're not gonna let the dog out and then let the dog just roam free inside the house. What I'm gonna do is put a leash on the dog, take the dog out to the same spot kung saan siya lagi nag-CR, and then wait for the dog to potty. Kapag nag-CR na siya doon, I'm going to praise my dog. I might even reward the dog. And then, after that, maybe give some water and then put the dog back inside the crate. Kapag yung dog nasa loob ng crate, they will not go to potty. If they're outside na, it should only be after nung time na tingin mo mag-CR na sila. If hindi sila nag-CR, balik mo sila ulit dito. So one last tip for training your dog is to make sure na you reward the dog for doing the correct choice, for making the right decision of going to potty outside. Pero I'm not gonna use food rewards. I'm just going to reward my dog with praise. I'm gonna pet the dog. I'm gonna say, good boy, ganyan. The reason why I'm not gonna use food or toys to reward the dog for pottying outside is this. Kapag meron akong reward lagi, nire-reward ko siya, and naisip niya, oh, every time nagpupunta ako dito sa corner na to, nire-reward ako. Ang gagawin niya, mabibuild niya yung yung parang ma-recognize niya yung pattern, and then mamamotivate siya na to be in that place. Pero it doesn't mean na mamamotivate yung dog to potty. So, ang mangyayari niyan, instead na mag-CR yung dog, ang gagawin niya is, saan na yung reward? Saan na yung reward? So, mas lalo siyang hindi masi-CR. I hope that this video is helpful. If nakatulong, please like and share this video. Thank you guys for watching.